I'm going to show you how to create the Next.js app and how to take it live with Vercel. So the first step is create the Next.js app, which the command is npm create next app, and then the name of your app. Just click on Y. I just select all the default options in here. And actually ESLint, I think I should have selected that one. But that should be it. Perfect. So now that's been created, you have to cd into it. It would usually tell you that, but it didn't. So let me copy and just cd into it. Now we're inside this directory. So if you do npm run dev, it should launch the app. Cool. So now we have it here. You can edit this. That would be under app. It should be this page layout. And there's also the layout file, which is what controls pretty much the whole web app. And then the page one is specifically for the home page, and you can add different folders which they can be used as pages. That could be like a whole tutorial, or should be a whole tutorial on its own actually. But now that we have this app here, I actually need it because I need to add a redirect to it. So I need to go here into my next.config file because I need this to redirect. Basically, I need this domain to redirect, and GoDaddy, it does not redirect HTTP and HTTPS. They can only redirect either or. So what I do is I gotta host an app so that it can redirect both of them. Once it has an SSL in it, it'll be like a full web app on its own. But if I were to visit this, it should redirect me to that. Perfect. So now I'm gonna upload this. I'm gonna upload this project to a GitHub repository, and then I'm gonna upload it to Vercel. So we're gonna go into GitHub here. Create a repository here. There we go. Now this makes it very simple. I'm just gonna add this here. There, perfect. Now I have to add everything. There should be, yeah, there's already a get ignored. Git add. You could have done a run lint just to make sure, like if you had actually done any changes, you can do npm run lint to make sure there's nothing wrong with your app. So now while that's getting pushed, I'm gonna go to Vercel. And I'm gonna add a new project here. Let's see if it's already up there. It should be, yeah. Let me just reload it to make sure. Cool. I'm going to import that. Yeah, that's pretty clear for me. You can have different naming conventions. So now I'm going to go into GoDaddy because Vercel is going to give me a record to add so that the domain can be pointed here to this project. Alright, so in Vercel here, you're going to get a few different options. I'm going to click on add domain here. I'm going to add the domain. I'm going to type it out. I like to copy and paste just to make sure there's no problems in there. So here, boom. I guess it doesn't matter this one, but usually I take it off. I try not to use this anymore as it's not needed. It could literally be xxx dot yyyy ttt. It could be any letter. Now it really doesn't matter to have the www in there. So I'm gonna add the domain. I'm gonna click on save, and I'm gonna copy that a record, and I'm gonna do that for this. Which Squarespace adds a few a records. If you have seen that before. Actually, let me just take a screenshot of this, just for whatever reason. The domain is not even active, so I'm gonna change this to, where's the, it's right there. So this is how the DNS look in Squarespace, if you have ever wondered. They all do the same thing. They all have a host type priority. Actually, priority is only for email, for MX records. The time to live, and then the data. Some domain registrars call it the value or data. It's the same thing. So now that that's there, I'm gonna click. I've added my records. It might take a little while for it to update, so just give it. Make sure you updated it properly to where you have the host type TTL. And actually, if you want to be extra safe, we could add www. This should go to the domain, so that should be going to, I don't know why that's going there. I'm gonna take a photo, a screenshot of that, just to keep record, like that, so that goes there. Perfect, it's configured properly. So now if I visit this right here, if I visit that, it should take me to my website. Perfect. There we go.